Okay, Mariel Ruiz back with us to talk about your forecast today, and it's a chilly one. We were just talking. I feel like it's colder in the studio because it's colder outside.
I know, my nose is so cold. I feel like that's the thing that goes
Mine
first.
feels like it could be red, okay? That's how it was this morning. Has it warmed up much?
You know, it's warmed up a little bit outside, and today it'll warm up a couple degrees more than yesterday. So we did start off at 38 degrees, and that was the coldest temperature that we've recorded since February. So it's been a little while. Today, a high of 67 degrees in Dallas, 68 in Fort Worth. It's just a couple of degrees warmer than the normal and warmer than yesterday. Tonight, temperatures will still drop into the low 40s. We have a reinforcing shot of cooler air that moves in this afternoon, and we'll feel the impacts tonight. As far as temperatures into the 30s, likely Denton, Collin County, and along areas of the Red River. I am not expecting freezing, but I am expecting a few locations to maybe see frost on the roofs or maybe some elevated surfaces along the Red River. Now, we are going to warm up. Saturday and Sunday, we're looking at highs in the 70s. Saturday morning will still be chilly, a morning low of 45, 72 on Saturday, 79 on Sunday. But look at what happens. This ridge of high pressure that's bringing on the heat for this weekend. We are going to eventually see it weaken, and our next system could come on Monday, but the one that I'm watching closely is Wednesday, Thursday, so middle part of next week. This could very well mean that we're going to see a drop in temperatures on Thanksgiving and on Black Friday. So 62 on Thanksgiving, 57 Black Friday, and then we're looking at maybe even cooler conditions for the beginning of the week. And as far as our rain coverage goes, we're staying dry for the first part of next week, but rain coverage goes up come Wednesday, Thursday. So again, two fronts likely next week. The first one will be dry. The second one is what could bring in some rain middle part of the week that could impact any road trips you might be thinking of for the middle part of next week. So let's show you what that looks like as of now, Thanksgiving week. This is Wednesday around 1 in the afternoon. We see that front coming in. Again, that front will interact with some moisture. We could see some rain maybe along the eastern parts of, there's that turkey, on the eastern parts of North Texas on Thanksgiving, especially along our eastern counties, maybe in the afternoon, evening. We'll be watching that. Now that front could very well speed up. If that happens, we'll have a better rain chance on Wednesday, and it could slow down. And if that happens, we'll have a better chance to see rain on Thursday. So a lot of data still coming in. We're still trying to iron out the details for middle parts of next week. Here's what we do know. This weekend will be warm. Next week, we are looking at a cool down, and be prepared to maybe see some rain middle part of the week. We'll be back.